Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Xiaomi Outdoor Camera BW300 security camera. So, the Xiaomi Outdoor Camera BW300 is a wire-free smart security camera designed for monitoring the outside of your home without the need for constant wiring. It features 2K resolution, 130-degree wide viewing angle, full color night vision, and a 4900 mAh rechargeable battery, and an IP67 weather-resistant design, making it suitable for use in rain, dust, and changing outdoor conditions. Now, it also supports the Xiaomi Home app, allowing you to view live footage and receive motion alerts directly on your smartphone. Now, one of the camera's standout features is its combination of image quality and smart security functions. Now, the 2K camera captures more detail than standard 1080p cameras, making it easier to identify faces, packages, or vehicles at night. It offers full color night vision with built-in LEDs, while infrared mode is also available when you prefer discrete monitoring. Now, the camera includes two-way audio, allowing you to speak with visitors or delivery drivers, and it can trigger lights and an alarm when motion is detected to help deter unwanted visitors. Now, Xiaomi also includes 7-day rolling cloud storage for motion trigger clips at no additional cost here, with optional cloud upgrades available. Now, for the battery life here, battery life is another strong point. So, Xiaomi states that the 4900 mAh battery here can last up to like 120 days with around like 20 motion recordings per day, or up to 180 days with lighter usage. Now, the camera also supports an optimal solar panel, which can keep the battery topped up and reduce the need for manual charging. So, who is it actually good for? Now, or best for. Now, it's an excellent choice for homeowners who want an easy way to install outdoor security cameras without running power cables. Now, it also is ideal for people living in rental properties since installation is simple and doesn't require extensive wiring. Now, if you want to monitor front doors, driveways, garages, backyards, or vacation homes, the BW300 provides the good balance of image quality, battery life, and smart features. It also is a solid option for users who already have other Xiaomi smart home devices because everything can be managed through the same Xiaomi Home app. However, if you need continuous 24/7 recording or advanced professional surveillance features, a wired security camera system may be better fit for you. But that's about it. So if you're interested with purchasing the Xiaomi Outdoor Camera BW300, doing your own research is always recommended. Looking at reviews and information from sources outside the official website can help you compare its performance with other outdoor security cameras and ensure you're getting the best value for your money, or just to see what's your preference. But that's about it. For this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.